Okay, yesterday we completed background CSS property, and today concept is border styles. We will use these border styles to apply border to any CSS, any HTML elements. So suppose I have one paragraph. I want to apply border for border to that paragraph. Okay, I can use these border styles to apply border styles for paragraph. So we have number of border styles is there. Total 8 types of border styles available in CSS. Okay, like first one is border, dotted border, and second one dashed border, second one solid, third one, and fourth one double, and fifth grow, ridge, insert, and outside. So these are 8 types of borders available, and one more property value is none is a border style. So if you define none for border style, mm, it will not take any border style. So empty will so border style is empty. So if we implement one sample example for border styles, doc type HTML, okay, HTML tag, and head section, and body. In body, suppose we have one paragraph or 2-3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, uh, this is first paragraph, and second paragraph, okay, second para. Okay, save this example. Okay, border styles dot html. Okay, using this border styles, we can apply border for any element. So take style element to write styles. Okay, style attribute. We are applying for these styles based on id selector. Okay, take id p1, id equal to p2. So for p1, hash symbol p1 for id selector. Okay, here color blue, border style. Okay, border style, uh, okay, dashed border, and border width. Okay, border width 2 pixel. Okay, and border color, border color is red border color. So if you run this example, so example in display like this. We have two paragraphs in our HTML document. So first paragraph and second paragraph. For first paragraph we have written some style for border styles. Okay, color is blue. The color is blue is text color is blue, and border style is dashed border. Okay, these are the border style, and border width 2 pixel, and border color red color border. Okay, here we have 8 types of border styles available. Okay, dashed border, and first dashed border, second one dotted border. Okay, next one double border. Okay, double border we have to increase border width, so it will display like, okay, like this for double border. Okay, and next grow is the 3D border style. Okay, and hidden no style, and insert also 3D style, and none, and there is no border for border style, and offset also 3D style, and ridge 3D style, and solid also 3D style. So here we have four normal styles. Okay, four normal styles, four 3D styles. Normal styles is dotted border, dashed border, solid border, and double border. Okay, these are the normal borders. And groove, ridge, inset, and offset. These four are 3D border styles. Okay, if you take dotted border, okay, dotted border, it displays like this. If you take dashed border, okay, dashed border, it display like this. And for solid, just only line will display. Okay, just a normal line. And for double border, double lines will come for double border style. Okay, so these are the normal four styles for border. For 3D styles, groove, insert, ridge, inset, and outset. Okay, first groove style is defines a 3D grooved border. The effect depends on the border color value. Okay, based on border color value, it will reflect. And ridge also same. Okay, defines a 3D border style, rigid border. The effect depends on the border color value. And inset also same, the effect depends on the border color. And outset also same. So these four are 3D border styles. If you take groove style for border, okay, we applied for border color red color, so based on this color it will display like this. If you take yellow, okay, it will display like this. Okay, for yellow grow border style. And next ridge, okay, ridge style. And next inset, okay, okay, inset border style, okay, inset border style, and outside border style. Okay, 3D effect will display in bottom. Okay, for outside. For inset, display in the top. Okay, 3D border style. So this is the border style. 8 types of border styles available: dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, offset. So here we used for border three properties. Okay, border style, border width, and border color. So in real time we don't write like this. Okay, like individual styles. Okay, border style, border width, border color. So don't write like this. Okay, don't write like this. Here we have only one border property. Okay, border width, okay, space, border color, space, border style, okay, solid. Here color is text color. Okay, and border property colon border width. Okay, border width 1 pixel and space border color space border style. Okay, in real time we have to write like this only. So this also same, 1 pixel and blue color solid. So here we can apply different border styles. Okay, double border. For double border we have to increase the border width. Okay, like this. So this is the border style. Don't write different border properties. Okay, use only one border property to apply border width, border color, and border style. So this is the professional way to write styles. Okay, in real time we have to must and should have to write like this. So border styles. So here border styles we can apply border styles for top side different border, left side different border. Okay, left side different border, bottom different border style. So here if you want to apply for different border styles for different sides, okay, like top or bottom or left or right, for this you have to write border top style, okay, border right style, border bottom style, border left style. So use these four properties to different okay border styles for different sides. So here we can put this in comment. Border left style. Okay, border left style వచ్చేసి 1 pixel border, okay, blue color and solid అనుకోండి, solid. Okay, next to border right side right style color 1 pixel and red border color and double style border style. Next border left to right and top style 1 pixel, okay, yellow, okay, dashed. సో అలాగే సో border left to right to top and bottom style 1 pixel, okay, black, okay, double dashed dotted border style. So it will apply for different border styles for only one paragraph. Run this example. Okay, only use border left, border right, okay, border top. Okay, we can see this border left side. Okay, blue color border. Okay, border left side, border right side, red color and double border. Okay, increase this border width. Okay, double, and left side also increase, and border top. Top is left yellow color and dashed border here, 3 pixel, and bottom black and dotted. Okay, 3 pixel border. So for different sides, different border styles we can apply. Okay, left to right to top or bottom. So use this border left to border right to border top to border bottom. Okay, these four properties to apply individual border styles. Okay, and next margin property. So using margin property, already yesterday I explained about margin property. The margin does not have a background color and is completely transparent. Okay, there is no background color and completely transparent. It will display like without any background color. So gap between the border browser and content our development. Okay, margin property. Okay, using margin property we can arrange the position of our element. So okay, here we have one paragraph. Okay, with the class name x. Okay, class name x, paragraph with class name x. In this, margin top, margin bottom, margin right and margin left. Okay, written margin property, top, bottom, right, left. So paragraph is positioned in this margin property styles. So run this example. So this is the first paragraph, example paragraph. Okay, here written margin styles. For margin top 10 pixel, margin bottom 100 pixel. Okay, right 150, left 50. So see this, if we increase, okay, margin top style, okay, okay, the paragraph will move to margin top 60 pixel. Okay, gap between top and paragraph, and margin bottom, gap between border bottom element and current element. And next, margin right also increased here. Okay, margin and margin left 50 pixel present. So we can move this. Okay, for margin left 180 pixel. So we can arrange position of our HTML element. Okay, where you want to display in our HTML document. So we can arrange the position using margin property. So this is not the correct way in real time. Okay, use only one margin property to arrange top, bottom, okay, right, left. Okay, put this properties in comment. Okay, star hash. Okay, margin property, only use margin property. In this margin property we have four values. For these four values, first value is top, second value is right, third value bottom, and fourth value left. Okay, this is the order for margin property. Okay, these are the individual properties. Okay, margin properties, this is the uh, combined. Okay, for all, top, right, bottom, and left. Okay, if you run this example, okay, we can see this margin property. Okay, only four values. Okay, order also should be like this: top, right, bottom, left. If I increase, okay, top margin, okay, it will move to the, okay, top. If I increase right margin, okay, you can see the difference here. And next, bottom, okay, you can see here. And this is the left side. Okay, see this. So in real time, machine should, you have to write like this: only single margin property, don't use margin left to margin right. Okay, margin bottom, margin top. If you want to individual margins, okay, you can use. So maximum use only margin property, single margin property in real time. So next, CSS padding. CSS padding also explained yesterday. CSS padding properties defines the space between the element border and the element content. So suppose we have some content in development, so we can arrange a space between border of the element and content. Suppose I have one example, development. Okay, development. In this development, I have some example content. Okay, some example content. So if we run this example, okay, border styles. Okay, just to, it will display like this. Okay, normal paragraph or normal content. So If you want to apply some look and feel for development, use id symbol, id, okay, my div, and here id, my div, okay, border 2 pixel, okay, double and blue color border, okay, and background, okay, background color, okay, black, and color white, okay, text color white, background color black, and border blue. Okay, this is the development actual styles. Okay, background color change here, some development width also we can mention here, width 50 pixel, okay, 50 pixel width. So here this is not the good look and feel, okay, so use padding property to apply some look, okay, padding left and padding right, padding bottom, padding top. We have 4 properties also for padding also. Ten pixel padding right, also 20 pixel padding bottom 20 pixel padding top, okay, 40 pixel. Okay, we arranged padding for this development. Okay, so some box is displayed here, so background color gray, okay, so background color black, and border, okay, red border is better, okay, red border, and padding and width color, background color. So these are all uh, development styles. So if you want to just increase the padding left style, okay, just gap space between element border and content, so left side space we can increase, okay, like this, okay, and next padding right, okay, we can increase padding right also, and next padding bottom also we can increase, so just you can arrange space, and padding top also increased here. So like this we can implement some boxes, some content. So for if you want to apply different paddings for different sides. Okay, left side, right side, okay, bottom, top. Otherwise use only padding property to apply pad space between content and development. So don't use like this. Okay, put all this in comment. Okay, use only padding property. Okay, first for padding also same. Okay, top, right, bottom, left. Okay, this is the order for padding also, and margin also same. First top 10 pixel space, right side also 20 pixel, and bottom 30 pixel, and left 40 pixel. So we can write like this. Okay, so padding are applied here. So we can arrange different sides for different paddings. Okay, top you can arrange here, and the right side. Okay, it's moving, and bottom. Okay, and left side. So this is the padding property, and margin property also same. Top, right side, and bottom side, left side. Okay, use only one padding property to apply the paddings. Okay, space between content and development, some any element. Okay, like a paragraph or development. Okay, margin also use only margin property and apply like this. Okay, don't use margin left to margin right to. Okay, margin bottom properties in real time. And padding also. And CSS display and visibility properties. Display and visibility properties, we can use these properties to hide or show the elements. Okay, if you want to hide any element, okay, use visibility property to hide or uh, display. Okay, we have two properties to hide or show the elements: display property and visibility property. So the display property specifies how an element is displayed. Okay, and the visibility property specifies if an element should be visible or hidden. Okay, hiding an element can be done by setting the display property to none or the visibility property to hidden. So first, visibility property. So we can set visibility colon hidden property to hide an element, but it will still take up the same space as before. Okay, it will take the same space as before. How much space it is occupy, so that space it's take up in hidden mode also. So the element will be hidden but still affect the layout. So see the example. Okay, visibility property. So here we have one header element, and the second one is also header element, and the third one is paragraph. So for second header, second header we have written class for visibility hidden. So h1 element with the class name hidden2. Okay, class name hidden2. So visibility hidden means this h1 element will not display in runtime, so but it's take the space. Okay, it occupy the space. So okay, here see the example. This is a visible heading. Okay, visible heading is first head 1 and second head 1. H1 tag is in hidden mode and third paragraph is displaying. Okay, if you use visibility property, the particular element takes same space as before. Okay, even this in hidden mode. Okay, same space. Okay, see this. Okay, first head 1 is displaying, second head 1 takes same space, and third paragraph. Okay, if you remove this visibility property, okay, and h1 element is displaying, okay, same as before. If we use his visibility hidden, let's take the same space and visibility hidden mode. Okay, collapse hidden and visible. Okay, use hidden property and visible value. Okay, for visibility property, visible and hidden. If you want to hide the element, use hidden element. If you want to display, okay, use visible value to visibility property. It will affect the layout. Okay, use if you use this property, visibility property, it will affect the layout. If you use display property, it will not affect the layout. Okay, just element is in hidden mode. Okay, suppose same example, and two h1 elements is there and paragraph. For second h1 element written h1 element dot hidden 3. Okay, class name hidden 3, h1 element with the class name hidden 3, and display none property. Okay, display none property, this h1 element will in hidden mode, display none. Okay, it will not affect the uh, content. Okay, notice that the h1 element will with display none does not take up any space. For visibility property, hidden heading still take up space. Okay, this is the difference between visibility property and hidden property, visibility and display property. Okay, if you remove this display none property, okay, again h1 element is displayed here. Okay, if you write display none, okay, the space is not take up. Okay, display none and display black, two values is there. Okay, if you want to display a particular element, use display black. If you want to hide that particular element, use display none. Okay, two values. In visibility, okay, hidden and visible. Okay, hidden and visible property values, and for display none black. Okay, none black. Okay, none black. So these two values, and for display property and visibility property hidden and visible. Use these two values, hidden and visible. So that is the difference between visibility property and hidden property. Visibility property takes the same space as before. Okay, visibility property will not take the space. Okay, it will not affect the layout. Again, CSS display black and inline elements. Okay, a block element is an element that takes up the full width available and has a line break before and after it. So some particular elements like anchor tags. You want to display anchor tags and in single line. So okay, use inline property to display uh, side by side. So here we have horizontal menu. For horizontal menu, display in side by side. Okay, for this we run this example. Okay, these these are the links. Okay, HTML and CSS JavaScript, these three links. Okay, you want to display these three links side by side. Okay, right, like CSS, like this, display inline property. Use display inline property to display side by side. So take another list. Okay, another list. In another list, li element. Okay, in li element we have anchor tags for HTML link and CSS link and JavaScript link. So we have three links available. Okay, in another list items. For this to display side by side, use li element selector and display inline. So use display inline property, display side by side. Okay, this is the another list. Use display inline. If you remove this display inline property, okay, it will display like list items. Okay, so if you want to display side by side, use display inline property by side. In real time we will use this property to implement menus. Okay, like navigation menu. For navigation menu, we will use this display property, inline property, to implement the navigation menus. Okay, do an example on navigation menu. So like this, I will give the example links. So try with that links. And next to fixed positioning and relative positioning. So we can arrange the fixed position for HTML elements. The CSS positioning properties allows you to position an element. Okay, if you want to display particular element in particular position, like a fixed position, use this fixed position property. Okay, position property and fix value. Okay, fixed value. So the position is fixed to that element. Okay, fixed position. So here in this example, two paragraphs available. Okay, for these two paragraphs, class equal to position fixed. There is a class name, a p element with class name position fixed, and position property is there. Position and value is fixed, and top 30 pixel, right 5 pixel, and color red. Okay, and paragraph and text color is red color, and paragraph will display in display top 30 pixel and right 5 pixel, and that is position is fixed. If we run this example, okay, this is the fixed position per paragraph. Okay, here two paragraphs is there, but for these two paragraphs also display in same area. Okay, in same area, in same position, two paragraphs also display in same position. Okay, if you use position fixed. Okay, if you remove this position fixed property, okay, these two paragraphs are displaying. Okay, if you apply position fixed property, okay, these two paragraphs also same class. Okay, top 30 pixel, right 5 pixel, and color also red. So these two paragraphs also display in same position. So because of position fixed. Okay, if you remove this position, okay, display in different paragraphs. Okay, if you check this position fixed, it display in same position. And next, relative position. The relative position element is position relative to its normal position. Okay, normal position to relative position. Here we have h2 tag, three h2 tags. Okay, position left class and position right class, and right class also is there. For first position left class, okay, h2 element with the class position left. Okay, h2 element with class name position left. In this position left class, position relative position and left 20 pixel. h2 tag with the class name position right, position relative and left 20 pixel, and right class position absolute position right 0 pixel, width 300 pixel, and background color. So written like this styles. Run this example and display output like this. For first h2 element there is no styles. Okay, normal header display like this. Okay, without any style. For second header element, written position relative position and left 20 pixel. Okay, Okay, position relative and its normal position according to its normal position, and position also left minus 20 pixel. Okay, uh, it's displaying minus 20 left side. And for third, position relative position and left 20 pixel. If you remove this 20 pixel, okay, display like this. Okay, here see the difference without position relative. Okay, it will display in normal position. Okay, normal style. If you check this position relative, it will move to position left. Okay, and for third also same. For the final class right class, this div, this h2 element, position absolute and right 0 pixel, right side 0 pixel and width 300 pixel, background color, this is the background color. Okay, here used position absolute position. Okay, I removed position absolute position, so this h2 element display in normal position. Okay, normal left side. Okay, arrange this position as right side. Okay, if you remove this right side 0 pixel, okay, it will cover the uh, h2 remaining h2 position right side classes. Okay, arrange its right side and width 300 pixel. Okay, it will display like this without width and background color. Okay, this is the position fixed and position relative, position absolute positions. This is the absolute position for right side. Next, aligning block elements. A block element is an element that takes up the full width available and has a line break before and after it. Okay, we can align the elements like left side, right side, okay, and the center like that. Okay, here this div element. In this div element, we have two paragraphs. For this div element, written on center class. Okay, center class name, left to margin left, margin right, and margin property. Okay, using margin property, we can align the center div element. Okay, align container. Okay, like this we can align the in center align. For this the div element. For this div element, margin left auto, margin right auto, and width 70 pixel and padding 10 pixel. If you remove this padding 10 pixel, okay, there is no space between content and uh, element. Okay, use this padding. If you use padding 10 pixel without left side or right side. Okay, it will apply for all sides. Okay, 10 pixel. And margin left auto, margin right auto. Okay, if you remove this margin left auto, it will move to the left side. Remove this, and width also you can remove. So normal div, it will display like this without margin width. If you try to width for div element, display like this, and margin left. Okay, margin left auto and margin right auto. So the div element will display in center align. So if you write like this, display in center align. Okay, this is the block align.
Sir, what happens if you give width as 100%?
Sorry,
Will it still be aligned in the center?
huh?
What will happen if you give width as 100%?
With 100% total left side, there is no gap, right side also no gap. Okay, it will display like this. So if you want to
Also, we have to
gap,
give percentage if you want to get it in center.
uh, uh, if you want to some gap between gap left side or right side, use width and left so auto, right auto. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
any website also, in particular nowadays, in any website, we can see left side gap and right side gap. Okay, this is for resolution for different screens.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
and next to image sprites. Image sprites is collection of images. Okay, image sprite is a collection of images put into a single image. Okay, one one single image have number of images. Okay, in single image. Okay, we can use that particular image in our web, uh, in our application. A web page with many images can take a long time to load and generate multiple server requests. So if you want to reduce the server request, or but reduce the burden on server, use image sprites. Okay, only one single image, and that contains number of images. Okay, in single image contains number of images. So it will load at a time. Okay, one time, and it will apply different images for different areas, like image sprites. So this is the example for image sprite. I have one image like, okay, image sprites. Okay, I have an image, GIF image. Okay, image navigation sprite charts, GIF image. So in this single image, three images is there. Okay, home image, and previous previous button image, and next image button. Okay, home image button, previous button, and next button. So you can use these three buttons where you want. Okay, if you want to use left side button in particular area, you can use particular this image only. Okay, if you want to display home image in particular area in HTML document, in our document, okay, write CSS properties to display this particular home. So I will explain this code. So here uh, one example, image spread.html form. I'm displaying here two different images, but this is the single image, a home image and a previous image. Okay, two images is there, but these two images in single image. Okay, in our example I have two image elements. Okay, image and second image. Okay, home image and previous image. For home image, if you want to display particular home image in particular area, write like this: image height and width. Okay, image height and width. And for image background, URL is image navigation spreads are gif image and 0 comma 0. This is the metric position 0 comma 0. Okay, 0 0 position home image is there. After that previous button, and after that next button. So we can move. Okay, we can arrange these values to display particular image. In 0 0 position home image there. For first two image there is no risk. For second button onwards, second image onwards, use image height and width and background image sprite 86 pixel and 0. This is the 86 pixel. Okay, uh, left side and top. Okay, top 0 pixel. Okay, this is top 0 pixel and left side 86 position. In 86 position we have previous button. So see here, in first home image return width and height and background image. Okay, total image is loaded but display only home button in 0 0 position. For second image, width and height same, and here also total image is loaded, but here 86 pixel and 0 pixel. In 86 position we have previous button. If you increase this, okay, this image is moving here. Okay, observe here in this image element. Okay, if you want to display next button, okay, you can move like this. Okay, this is the 0 0 position. Okay, see here 0 pixel and 0 pixel. Move to right side. Okay, and next button. Okay, and next 86 in 86 position previous button is there. So like that we can arrange the image. Okay, we can move. So total images in single image, but we can arrange which image we want to display. We can arrange like background and this using these pixels. So I will show an example. mm, Image sprite example. So here in this example, okay, this Firefox, Chrome and Explorer, Safari and Opera, all these in same image, but here differentiate for different links, okay, using background property. Okay, for Firefox, where Firefox LA image, circle image, there is no circle image. Okay, this is the sprite image. Okay, see this image. Okay, Firefox, Chrome, and IE and Opera, Safari. These are the different image sprite. Okay, in this example, they are arranged. Okay, like this: Firefox and Chrome, and for different links, different images are displaying here. For Firefox, okay, background position 00. Okay, here they are used background position 00, and for Chrome background position, okay, minus 100 pixel. Okay, see here, minus 100 pixel. Okay, we can move this. Okay, we can check this example. Okay, the image is moving to up on top or down bottom. Okay, observe here. So do example on this, you will get the some idea. Okay, this is very important thing in real time also. Okay, follow this link. Okay, follow this link and do one example based on that link. Okay, that is the important thing in a real time example also. Okay, okay, main usage is using image sprites. The server, there is no button on server, and only one image is loaded from server and displaying different areas. Okay, main usage, main feature. Okay, reduce the server burden. Okay, using image price we will reduce the number of server requests and save bandwidth. Okay,